From the window to the wall, we getting lit up in it, big bouncing. We does it big up in it, big bouncing.
What's up? So we're kind of just getting ready to leave. This is going to be kind of a different video. We're going to be traveling to Utah. So, whoa. Yeah, we're going to be going to Utah. So it's, we're fixing to leave. It's going to be about a 2-day trip. We're going to be going through Nebraska and Wyoming and then through Utah to get to where we're going. So most of this video will probably be, travel related, just driving. The next video that comes up will be, while we were down there, anything we'd done, or maybe even just, cleaning the car up whenever we get there, before we leave. I just like, whenever we leave and travel, I like to make sure our car's clean. We do a lot of prep packing for traveling with 2 kids. So you know how that, if you got kids, you know how that goes traveling with them, especially if it's a long distance like this. But yeah, I was just going to give you a fair warning. This one's going to be a little bit different. It's just going to be a lot of travel stuff, really. But yeah, we're going to head out here shortly. This is a few hours in, but this is when we were passing through Kansas City. And as you can tell, our windshield is already covered in bugs, but we didn't get that fixed until we were just about into Utah, so we kind of just have to bear with me on the dirty windshield on most of this trip. Sounds dry. If you need a last minute idea, like you forgot your tablet holder or anything and you got some bungee cords, this worked out perfectly, and it worked for the full 19-hour trip. So we've made it to our first stop. We're in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and we've got about 7.5 more hours, but we're gonna start at about 6 in the morning tomorrow. Tell them what it is.
A swimming pool house!
Yeah.